ICT refers to technologies that provide access to information through telecommunications. It is similar to information technology but focuses primarily on communication technologies. This includes the internet, wireless networks, cell phones, and other communications mediums.
As a student, the importance of ICT in my life, it gives me access to those information and resources, learning more engaging and personalized. I can easily to connect with my teachers and classmates through email and messaging apps. And I can easily to connect with online forums and collaborations. ICT tools like word processors, spreadsheets, and presentation software help us to complete assignments and project efficiency.
ICT is very important because it helps make learning easier, faster, and more effective. It allows me to access information anytime through the internet, use digital tools for researching projects, and communicate with teachers and classmates easily through online platforms. ICT also helps me develop skills and technology that are useful for my future studies and career.
As a student, ICT is very important in my life because it helps me learn faster, communicate easier, and become more productive. Through ICT, I can access information online for my studies, create projects using digital tools, and connect with teachers and classmates through different platforms. It also helped me develop computer and technical skills that are useful for my future career. Overall, ICT makes learning more interesting, convenient, and effective.
As a student, ICT is very important. Learning is a precious that will follow you everywhere, which are